All right, guys, I'm talking to the skunk tail that the new cameraman has this week. But we're here at the 2026 World Series. Right now, we have the first of two practice sessions. We're bowling on Chameleon and Cheetah. I'm starting out on Cheetah right now. I'm going to get a couple more shots in, but the Black Hammer and the IQ78 look good. We're going to talk a little bit more about every single thing that we're going to see this week, arsenal-wise, stuff like that. I showed up a little late to practice. I wasn't here at the normal time I should be to get ready, but we're still good. We're still having a good practice. So we're going to finish up on Cheetah, maybe throw a couple reactive balls, and then hop over to Chameleon.
Ball reaction. A little better.
I don't know what time it is, but we've been practicing for a little bit. I have thrown a couple different reactive balls on both patterns, and the slower stuff definitely looks better. I threw a Black Venom, I threw a Raptor Rain, I threw the new kinetic ball, Ion Pro. Just like weaker but smoother stuff is looking better. So I don't know how the other side plays. Apparently the other side plays a lot harder. That's what a lot of people have been saying. So we're gonna bowl on the next two patterns over there and see what it's all about. But we have a good look. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the practice session, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're in the second practice session right now. We're bowling on Shark and Scorpion. I think they're definitely going to be a little bit tougher. These are the tougher patterns. To start, I was throwing a bunch of different balls with some surface to kind of break down the lane because there's not really a lot of free hook on this pattern, both patterns to begin with. So we started with Equinox Solid and the Apex Shackle, not the Apex, I'm sorry, the Onyx Shackle. Looked pretty good. Then I got into a Bionic and a Spawn pretty quickly. So maybe those balls will be like ones to start with. If not, I'm looking for smoother options. I'm gonna try this Black Venom on Scorpion because they're already starting to open up a little bit. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Pretty flat. Yeah, that ball's gonna be pretty good. Spawn right there is gonna be pretty good. That hooked right off my hand. All right, that's pretty good. That's a GB5 Solid. Gives me a really clean and round shape for the long. I'm gonna try the Ion Pro because it's probably just like a step above that. Yeah, much rounder shape. So that tells me that it's not quite it from that angle. I'll touch that with surface. Better reaction. So I have that tumbly option just in case they really get messy. I thought that ball was going to be pretty good because it's literally just a pearl that likes to just be really, really smooth. So that's a good option to have. I'm going to try gearing down because obviously throwing it hard is not getting me anywhere. Too weak. Well, GB5 looks really good, so we're gonna see how long we can milk that one for. Oh my God, this fucking lane looks a mile. I don't need to be that deep yet. Ah, man. We're gonna wrap it up here soon. I'm gonna shoot some spares here in a minute. All right, shoot some spares and we're out of here. right, guys, practice session is now over. We've bowled on all 4 patterns, have a pretty good idea. Just to recap these 2, obviously shark, we're gonna have to play straighter angles throughout the entire block. I noticed one big thing is that the high end of the house looks way earlier than the low end of the house, just by, bowling on the 2 sides in the 2 different practice sessions. But for Scorpion, obviously we have to have bowling balls that we can control. Obviously, have something that's going to pick up on the fresh, that's not going to get offline too fast. So we're thinking about that Onyx Jackal, that Spawn looked really good, GB5, Ion Pro Solid. So stuff like that. And then, with Shark, it's all about just keeping it in front of you, have something that's going to pick up early enough on the fresh. I feel like both patterns are pretty similar, but when it comes to Shark, there's just going to be a lot more hold, and the front part lane's going to go because everybody's going to use surface, so it's all about combating that. And then Scorpion itself is just going to be tricky, because if you get it too far to the right, it's not going to hook. And it's just managing, good ball reaction the entire time. So that's gonna be it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, qualifying on the Cheetah Championship starts tomorrow. We have, I believe, 2 5-game blocks. If I'm not mistaken, 5 or 6 games, something like that. But 2 of those, and then they cut to the top 12. So that's for every single pattern. It's going to be a good week. So thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.